Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's first question is sport brand Puma India extend partnership with Yuvraj Singh. Global sports brand Puma India has extended partnership with former Indian cricketer Yuvraj Singh, who has been associated with the brand for over a decade. Moving from cricketer to the fast lane, Yuvraj will now be seen in a new avatar as the face of Puma Motorsport in India, showcasing his passion for fast car and sport-inspired fashion. With this, Yuvraj has joined the brand's global league and legends like Thierry Henry, Boris Becker and Usain Bolt. Number 2. Rajasthan government will set Vedic Education and Sanskar Board. The Rajasthan government will soon set up a Vedic Education and Sanskar Board to revive the knowledge of Sanskrit, scripture and Vedas. The board is likely to be formed in the next 4 or 5 months. Number 3. MP government launches Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan. The government of Madhya Pradesh has launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan to make the people of the state aware of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. It translates to Free from Corona with the help of Youth Power campaign. Students in college in small groups will be given information and details about the significance of COVID-friendly behavior and vaccination. Number 4. European Space Agency will launch world's first wooden satellite. The European Space Agency has plans to launch the world's first wooden satellite. It is going to be launched from New Zealand. It will be launched from a Rocket Lab Electron rocket by the end of 2021. The satellite is the brainchild of Jerry McKinnon. Number 5. Government appoints Ashish Chandorkar as director at India's WTO mission. The government of India has appointed a private person, Ashish Chandorkar, as counselor in India's permanent mission in the World Trade Organization for 3 years. For the first time, a private person has been appointed at the mission. Chandorkar is director of Bangalore-based policy think tank Smahi Foundation of Policy and Research. The WTO is a 164th member multilateral body which deals with global trade. India is a member since 1995. Number 6. Autistic Pride Day, 18 June. Every year, Autistic Pride Day is observed on June 18 globally to create awareness about autism among people and recognize the importance of pride for autistic people and its role in bringing about positive changes in the broader society. The day is represented by a rainbow infinity day, which denotes the infinite possibility that autistic people have. Autistic Pride Day was first celebrated in Brazil in 2005 at the initiative of an organization named Aspes for Freedom. Number 7. India ranked second in the share of central bank surplus transfer. The Reserve Bank of India was second in terms of reserves transfer to the government as a percentage of gross domestic product for the fiscal year 2020 to 21. Turkey has been ranked first. Number 8. LIC CSL launches prepaid gift card in collaboration with IDBI Bank. LIC Card Services has launched a contactless prepaid gift card Sagun in collaboration with IDBI Bank on the RuPay platform. The purpose of this card is to expand the gift card market with an intent to promote cashless way of gifting and present a wide range of end-use choice and in a future foray into the market of e-gift card. NPCI partnered with LIC CSL and IDBI Bank for the launches of Sagun gift card on RuPay network. Number 9. Which company has recently got approval from regulator IRDAI to undertake insurance broking? Answer is Policybazaar. Policybazaar has got approval from regulator IRDAI to undertake insurance broking, a development that will help the company augment business and expand bouquet of services. Number 10. Today's last question of the day. What is the theme of the World Day to Combat Desertification and Dwarf 2021? Answer is Restoration Land Recovery. We build back better with healthy land. Restoration Land Recovery. We will back better with healthy land is the theme for 2021 World Day to Combat Desertification and Dwarf. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.